Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Would you like to instantly elevate your everyday style with minimal effort? Well, then you need to check out this beautiful 10 karat gold necklace from Olive & Chain, and this is in the paperclip design. I have been wearing this necklace nonstop for 3 weeks and I'm obsessed with it. So first of all, my jewelry style is a little bit more classic. I don't love pieces that draw a lot of attention, but I like pieces that I can wear every single day that are easy, I don't have to think about it, and that match every single outfit that I wear. So I've been wearing this beautiful dainty necklace on its own. I usually wear a dress down with a t-shirt, jeans, but it's so versatile. It looks so elegant dressed up with a dress, with a blouse, and it looks so great on its own. I love the 16-inch length. I feel like it's a really flattering length for any body type, and I've been wearing it on its own, but it looks so good layered with other necklaces. I feel like this is a piece you're gonna keep reaching back for. I have not taken it off, which means I've even worn it in the shower. I've worn it going to the gym, going on jogs. And because it's such high quality, 10 karat gold, it's hypoallergenic, so I've had no bad skin reactions, and the necklace itself is in perfect condition. It's so dainty that you would think maybe it would be a little too delicate and it might be too fragile, but it's a really strongly made necklace. I've had no problems with it. I personally think this would make the perfect gift for anyone. It already comes in a beautiful gift box and little pouch, so it's done all the work for you. I am obsessed with this necklace. I never want to take it off. It just instantly elevates your look, and it adds that little bit of bling and interest that every outfit needs. So definitely treat yourself. You won't regret it, but that's just my point of view.